Hi guys, welcome to Contentful Bake-Off. Come on in.
So we wanted to develop something that was different, that was fun, that was immersive, that actually got people talking, got them working together and building real relationships.
The most important people here today are our special guests on the panel who are going to share some of their experiences with personalization and stuff that I think you'll find very interesting.
Hello team! What's your team name?
London Fancy.
We've gone for half vanilla, half banana.
And process, flavour and decoration.
We got the personalised fancies. How are you bringing the brands together? Have you thought about bringing Contentful into this?
Red and green are very contentful colours.
Do we have a team name?
With a jam tarts.
So what resonated most with you with today's panel session?
Yeah.
I think the fact that personalization means something different for everyone.
The empathy piece is key.
The point of personalization is so important. I think the most important thing for me is like try, test, learn and apply, see the quick wins.
Can you describe your cake in 3 words?
Merger of brands.
What was your biggest takeaway from the panel session?
Key takeaway was keep it simple.
Yeah,
Keep it
love
simple,
that.
keep trying.
And for me, personalisation is a lot about the right message or the right kind of experience in the right place at the right time to the right people.
Is there anything that really jumped out to you there?
Just starting somewhere and not having to think really big. You can start small and scale.
If you don't start, your competitors are going to do it, and you're going to miss a lot of learnings.
Did you take anything in particular out of the panel session that we had?
Everybody's different, everybody has their own taste, so like the cake.
Very original events that never been to anything like this before. Did a lot of networking, met a lot of new people, and also great talk, great insights shared by the panelists.
It's about creating something that's fun, that's immersive, that's really human.
Offering something that is immersive and a little bit different and enabling, sellers to be elbow to elbow next to their prospects and their customers. That's where the real engagement happens, and that's, true conversation comes off the back of that.